so ice cold, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
Hi guys, it's Kayla and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this wig. Yes, she's pretty, isn't she? But yes, I will be showing you guys how I apply this wig. If you guys like to see this video, just keep on watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And also feel free to leave a comment down below on any type of videos y'all want to see me do. I told y'all this the year I'm coming with the videos, period. But yes, that is all for this video. If you like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So yeah, you're gonna need freeze spray, gossip glue, whatever adhesive, you can also use that as well. A comb, scissors, and a cap. I do the ball cap method. So first, I'm gonna apply some freeze spray, and then I'm gonna be brushing my hair down into a ponytail. There, just like that. So next step I do is I put my my stocking cap on. Okay, and then that's when I cut my ears. So I just hold it down and I cut like a small, I don't know if y'all can see, a small hole, and then like I clip it until I feel like I can get my ear in there, because you don't want the hole to be too big. You just want it enough. You still want it tight, so when you so it'll stick down. And then I do the same thing for this side. I just cut a small hole, and then I see if I can get my ear in there. Just like that. So next I go in with my freeze and I just freeze around. And then I go in with the gel. The reason why I do both of them is because when I cut my thing, I don't feel like this holds the wig cap down enough to me. So I feel like the gel holds a little bit stronger. But I feel like it made the process go by fast doing both of them, but that was me. So if you just like doing the spray, you could just do the spray. So depending on like what I'm doing or what I gotta do, I sometimes let it like air dry, like I don't blow dry it. But like if I'm in a hurry or like if I'm going somewhere and I need my hair done faster. I'm sorry I'm making so much noise. I take my blow dryer and blow dry it on. So I'll be back after I blow dry. So I got y'all guys zoomed in. I think it's dry for the most part. So yes, we about to cut. We about to cut it. So I always start in the middle and I just cut up. So like you know how some of them still like rapidly. How do I sound? I don't know. Like it's not all the way cut like to your skin. Like you could go in and cut it, or like when you apply your adhesive to glue down the wig, it'll just glue down with it too. So that's okay. So that's not that bad. Now you just wait on the ear part to dry. That's why I said make sure it's dry before you cut it, because it will unravel if it's not. Like it will come up. So we just letting it dry for now. So I'm gonna just let this dry. Well, these dry. So while I'm waiting on that, I'm just gonna like somewhat move on to the next step, which is I apply my foundation onto my cap so it'll blend in better. So I just majority of the time I use a cream, and I put it on the back of my hand, and then I like rub it in a little bit like this, and then apply. Like I don't go in and then do, because it like leave a spot like too much, like you apply too much makeup in one spot. So I do it like that, and then I just rub it all around the cap. Okay, so after that part, the next part, I take some alcohol and I take like a little cotton thing. Yeah, I just put some alcohol on it, and then I just go like around the part. where you I'm gonna glue the well, I'm gonna put my adhesive on it. So I'm using bowl hold. So I just do that so it's nothing like no makeup, and so it'll stick better. So yeah, see, so it just wipe off all the makeup pretty much. Okay, so next I get my wig. So this is my first time ever applying a wig with the bang. So hopefully this turn out good. And I'm not a pro at applying this, so don't come for me if it look like I did something wrong. This is just what I do. So this the inside. It got 3 combs and the adjustable scrap. So I'm gonna just adjust the scraps first, cause I got a small head. Okay. So now I'm gonna flip it back. I'm not gonna take it all the way off, cause that's just not how I do this. So next we finna take. I dropped it. I'm gonna take my bowl hold, and this is what I use to glue my wig down. I know it look like a lot, but that's okay. So I don't know, I just take this like the razor thing, and I just use it to smear it out. Well, spread it out. Okay. So you want this to fully dry so where you don't even see this. Like you want it to be clear, like where you can't see it at all. So I'm gonna let this dry and then we'll be back. Okay, so it's dry. It's clear. So we about to lay it down. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna have to. So I got it on now. Yeah. So I'm not finna cut my ear tabs right now. I'm finna take hold on you guys. I'm about to take my scarf and tie it where I got it laid. And I'm gonna wait. And then I'm gonna come back. And then I'm gonna cut my ear tabs. So I'm just gonna tie this down. And then I'm gonna come back. So I'm back. And I'm finna take the little scarf off. And we finna cut the thing. We finna cut it. Okay. So I'm gonna take it up the middle. And then right here. And right here. Okay. So. Alright. Now I'm finna take a little razor and go down. So now I'm just cutting off my lace, and I'm using like a eyebrow razor to do this, so it'll leave it like jagged and it's like not a straight cut. So now I will be cutting my ear tabs. So I just part the hair from my ear and I just cut it and go around downwards. So after I cut the front part of the lace, I'm gonna see that it's not glued all the way down. So I just go in with some more glue and I just glue it down. And then here I'm showing you how I cut my ear tabs. I know it's going a little fast, but I just part it and cut downwards. That's all I do to do my ear tabs. So after I cut off the lace, I'm gonna comb the hair down and then I'm gonna proceed to start cutting the bang. But yes, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I know it ends kind of weird, but yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.